Hello, I am from CodeSpeedy Technology, and in this video I will let you know how to change the default font size in VS Code text editor or code editor. So as you can see, I am using a high resolution display, and for me the default font size is pretty much smaller. So I want to change it. Just click on this setting icon, then click on this settings option, and you will see the font size option here. If you can't see the font size option here, you just need to type in the search box and you can see this option. Now this is an integer value, you can change it like this. I am changing it to 18. Now you can see the result here, it has been changed. You don't have to click on any save button here after changing the value, because there is no save button. It will be automatically saved whatever you write here. You can also decrease the size like this. There is another option to go to this setting icon. You can click on code, then click on settings, and you will land on the same page. You can change it from here too. And another shortcut is you can press command and comma button, command plus comma. If you press this, then you will land on the settings page immediately. This is the shortcut button in VS Code. But if you are using Windows, you can press Windows plus comma. You don't have to press command, because on Windows there is no command button. So that's for today. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to our channel.